Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to delete a mention in Instagram history on iPhone. That is, if you want to tag someone in your Instagram history, and you don't want that nickname in your history. You can remove it or you can delete it. So let me show you how to do that. Subscribe to this channel. Give it a like. Let's get started. Go to Instagram. I have a story already added here. Let me try to delete it. I'll show you what you need to do. Open your profile. Choose the profile you want to add a story to. Click here, Add. Choose any photo, video, picture, whatever. Click Add Mention, and choose any person. Let's say this one. And if you get a mention like this, Van needs to remove it, so that the person is marked. But not to have this mention. You can just put it at the bottom. Get it off the screen, and then click Publish Story. Thus the story will be published. But no one will see who we published there, who we marked there. This is such a simple and easy way. If you liked this video and helped, write in the comments. I will read and reply. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.